Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Ready for Voltron Part 2. Today we're going to start putting the back together. I have the chest all now together. I just finished that today. Still got some work to do on the inside, but got the main part of it done. So now we're going to get started on assembling the back. Here we go. Should do it. Okay, so the back is now all together, and it's a pretty solid heavy piece. So what I said before is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some rafts, going to use my heat gun and just warm it up, and then just lay it on top of here, and then just use my soldering iron to connect it to the actual chest. It's going to add some weight to it, but it's just going to make this more solid and all together. So here's the side. And all back here is just going to be, I'm just going to take some Bondo, just put it right on top of that, just to kind of give it a smooth surface. I may go back over it again with my soldering iron to like finish making that connection, but I think it's pretty solid. So this can stand on its own. There you go. Okay, so the back is now done. I'm now waiting for some parts to finish printing for the yellow line. I have the front of the foot and the back of the foot done. I have the two upper shin parts done, printing right now, and I have the top part of the shin also printing as well. But each of those prints are probably going to take about 2 days to print because they're pretty big files and they use a lot of filament. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also if you could hit the like button to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.